This is the process for creating a disclosure form using the new Illinois Adjustable Block Program website. So first, you need to select a vendor. If you have more than one approved vendor, you'll need to select the one. I'm selecting this one as our test account. Then you go to View Disclosure Forms, and then you go to Create New Distributed Generation Disclosure Form. Same place here, you'll select the type of form. So in this case, I'm going to do a system purchase form. System name is test system. And then I'll reselect the vendor ID and save and continue. Next, you fill out customer information. I'm going to skip quickly through this part because it's the same information as the previous form. One additional new field of note, the non-connection to internet fee for Carbon Solutions Group is 8%. Also, I want to flag that this field, additional terms and disclosures, what happens when the home or business is sold. This language is required with Carbon Solutions Group's contracts. If the system is sold, seller must notify Carbon Solutions Group and transfer the contract to the new owner. And here's the process for Esignature. So just to highlight this, submit and download does not automatically send the file to the customer. You need to go to this next page right here where you'll go through and you can request an e-signature by clicking this button.